I had always been an animal lover, and so had my wife. Over the years, we accumulated quite a few pets, but there was none we loved better than Pluto, the black cat. Years passed, happily, I suppose, but eventually things took a turn for the worse. Life spiraled out of control. I couldn't stay away from the bottle. That black cat became an unbearable nuisance. I had to make it disappear.
Come here, stupid cat!
And then the house burned down. Later, when things cooled down, I thought it might be time to try again with a new cat. But I should have known things would go bad again. This time nothing and no one was safe.
Oh, cat!
Oh my goodness, you can't do that!
Shut up!
Ah! What are you doing?
Place her here.
Sir, we need to see your wife.
I told you I wasn't hiding anything. Look, this place is pretty sturdy.